What's up, guys? Welcome back again. Uh, it's your boy Sammy back with another episode today. So it's Thursday, and I was thinking about making a series called Tricky Thursdays so that I can share some tips and tricks on the iPhone for you guys. So, yeah, starting from today, I'm gonna be starting this series. So, I recently was using I think it's been a while since I've been using it, but I added ChatGPT to start voice conversation on this action button shortcut. So whenever I hold and long press it, I'm able to have a conversation with ChatGPT in the real time. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's easy. So we're just gonna jump into settings. Let me just clean that again. We're gonna jump into settings and we're gonna scroll down to action button, which is here. Let me focus that. Yeah, so here. So once you are on the action button, you will see these different options. You can add customize buttons, you can add some shortcuts, you can add some control what you call it, these control settings you can find here. So and also you can add the shortcuts easily. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add ChatGPT as a shortcut so that we are gonna be able to make a voice conversation with our phone. So it's simple. You're gonna go to the shortcuts here. You're gonna tap here, and you can add ChatGPT from your phone as a shortcut. But remember to just download ChatGPT application on your phone first. So if you already have ChatGPT on your phone, you're just gonna add ChatGPT voice conversation option as a shortcut on the action button, like that. So now, if you are able to see it, it's already added here, and we are ready to use ChatGPT and have a conversation with it in a second. You just long press the action button again, and now it's active. So you can check when I'm having a conversation with it. So hello.
Hello. I can definitely keep up with our conversation. What's on your mind today?
Hey, how are you doing? How's it going? What's good?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going with your projects and goals?
Thank you for asking. It's going great. Do you know I can use the action button to add some ChatGPT voice conversation on my iPhone?
I'm glad to hear things are going great. You can use the Shortcuts app on your iPhone to set up an action plan and integrate ChatGPT voice conversations. Here's how you could do it. 1. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. 3. Select Add
As you
Action.
can hear, it's simple
Search for
and easy
saved
to
text or
use.
get contents of
Even in the
URL, connecting
background,
it to a web service like
you can
ChatGPT.
just have a
5.
conversation with the
You can use a text-to-speech action to have your iPhone read
ChatGPT
out responses.
voice
Or set it
conversation.
up to send
It's
requests
easy
to
like
an
this.
AI service if you
So
have a busy tech
instead of
setup.
using
Does that sound like the kind of
Siri,
setup you're looking for?
it's better to use this trick in my in I think so. So I think
Sounds like you're thinking about how to use this trick in a
she's
specific
still
context.
talking.
Could you clarify what you're planning to use it for? It'll help
Yo,
me give you a more tailored suggestion.
you still talking? I'm making a content on this. I'm filming.
Got it. You're making content on this. Let me know if you need any help with ideas or something specific for your content.
Actually, I don't need anything. Just shut up, please.
Understood.
So as you guys are able to see, it's easy and like accurate. Like when I'm asking something, I'll get real time response, and it's easy to use. I hope you guys find some helpful tips from this, and I'll see you on the next episode on take tips and tricks Thursdays. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.